I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hey guys, I'm Rohit from Rohit Vlog, and today I'll be sharing you some information about how to rectify your mistake which you did while creating your GIC account in Nova Scotia Bank. Before starting the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more useful update, and if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, you all have to do is to open your browser and sign into your Scotia secure mailing site. And if you don't know what is Scotia secure mail site, let me tell you. This is a site which is designed by the Scotia Bank to communicate with their clients. As you are opening your account with them, so you are a client for them, so they need to communicate with you. So to get the credential, like I have my login ID and password. To create this, you have to do is to log into your Gmail ID and search for a mail which is sent by the Scotia Bank. So this is the mail which I got from the Scotia Bank, and they are thankful for me that I have created my account in their branch. So here they are saying that this is an automated message has been sent because new account on an Scotia Bank has attempted to send a secure email message. To view this email, please visit this link. Okay, after clicking in this, they will redirect you to their page. In this page, they have already fetched your email ID. You all have to do is to register yourself with their bank. As I have already registered myself with this page, so I don't need to do the same again. So you have to register yourself and fill certain details, and then you will get your email ID and password. So here I have got my email and password. I will sign into it. So here my account is open. So all I have to do is to open this inbox to check my mail. This is the two mail which I got from the Scotia Bank. This is the very first mail which I got from the bank. So they are thankful to me that I have opened my account in their branch. So to send a rectification request, you all have to do is to click on the last mail, which whatever the mail, either you are received 3, 4, 5 mail, you all have to do is to reply to the very last mail which you have received from the bank. As I have received this mail, so I will click on this, and in this mail they have sent me the account details and the bank details in which I have to transfer my money via wire transfer. So I have to reply in this. And before replying to this, please make sure that you are replying to the very last mail which you got from the Scotia Bank. There is some codes which you have to delete and retype your issue which you are facing with your transaction, and attach a document for their reference. Your passport, as no other documents will be considered except your passport. So, and make sure that it should be in proper format, like subject must contain this title: Scotia Bank Student GIC Program, bracket your name, bracket close, hyphen update, hyphen, and then you have to mention that what kind of rectification you want, like your home address, name, pin code, etc. So let me show you some example which I have already created for you. I have sent a mail for rectification. Here is the mail. So you can see that I have mentioned subject Scotia Bank student GIC program Rohit Pandey -update home address, as I need to rectify my home address. So I have written the issue which I am facing and attach documents which will use for the verification purpose. So this is the whole thing you all have to do. Within 3 to 5 days they will send you a mail that your account details has been successfully updated. So this is the whole procedure. Before ending this video, I want to say that please make sure before paying your GIC that your GIC account details should be as same as your passport details. Any small change can land you in trouble. So be careful while creating your GIC account. Thank you for watching my video.